Assalamu alaikum guys. So etia আজি 38th of January আৰু etia 5-6 নহলে 5 বাজি আছে. So etia আজি actually আমি জয়ৰ পৰা শিলং গৈ আছো. We'll have a stay there for one night and tomorrow we are going to a new place. So let's go. So we reached in Shillong and this is our guest. It's a nice room. This is actually LIC office in Shillong and they have the guest room for us, for LIC people, and this guest room is only, the charge of this guest room is only 4 rupees and ipur amar khana hoy gute homemade dal, I don't know what this is salad and then dal wal hoga kuch sabji and all, and then we have this thanda prince aru sir ulai goise sa khabole aru মই হিটাৰত তলত মই হিটাৰ Hi guys, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Actually কালি ৰাতি আমি খাই চাই শুই গলো. It was so ঠাণ্ডা, ইমান ঠাণ্ডা আছিল শিলঙত. জয়ো ঠাণ্ডা, শিলঙো ঠাণ্ডা actually ইয়াৰ এই ব্লেংকেটছবোৰ আছিল কিন্তু মোৰ ঠাণ্ডা লাগিছিল বহুত বেছি আৰু মই হিটাৰ অন কৰা নাছিলোঁ ৰাতি. So etia ami breakfast koribo jam in Laithom Mukhra. Tate puri sabji ebur pai, so I'm really excited. Ab hum khane aa gaye hai Laithom Mukhra. Ek ki live Mukhra nahi ki khon Laithom Mukhra na binot khoma nahi kun khon bhal puri sabji. How is it?
या ना है सोयाबीन बहुत ज़्यादा है.
I don't like soybean. Today we are going to Mount Keruwat, which is a beautiful place and is the headquarters of Southwest Khasi Hill district of Meghalaya, and this place is 85 kilometers from Shillong and it is a beautiful mesmerizing place surrounded by Kinchi river, and there are several spots in between where we will stop and click beautiful pictures, and we will go to a Stonehenge which has got monoliths. Have a stop, and this is a hanging bridge. Oh my god. Kya kham mo yar pura
सब एकले गले भांगी যাব পাৰে. Very risky.
sar pura gol.
Hold it and then go. মই এইটো দি আহিলে হেৰি হৈ যাব, দিগদাৰ হ'ব মোৰ. মোবাইল হিলি যাব পাৰে মোৰ. He's being my friend now. Go.
Come in this place, it's so beautiful, don't it? Oh my god, it's so beautiful, breathtaking view. This bridge was, oh my god, I don't know, there's somewhere in between more details didim code say to more nije nanu sara khudi kini details to come core hoy jaga to, but it's beautiful and I will tell you this. Oh my god, look at the view and I don't know what is this কি নাম হয় বাট বহুত টেস্টি লাগে মোৰ খাবলৈ এইটো অলপ পানী পানী টাইপ হয় টেষ্টটো
What the voo? Wow.
Oh, what the voo, yeah.
Pura
What the
Swiss.
voo.
We are in Switzerland.
What's that? A Gosberg?
Pura
Switzerland.
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 Why do we need to be in Switzerland? We are in India.
Yeah, why do you need to be in
Yeah.
Switzerland?
We're in
Exactly.
Northeast.
Meghalaya.
Amazing Northeast.
Mesmerizing Meghalaya.
Awesome Assam.
Awesome Assam. Yeah.
We the people from awesome Assam have come to
To
mesmerizing
mesmerizing
Meghalaya.
And I would love to trek that hill out there, yeah?
Asari
Oh, setu chal re mane paharto.
Almost.
The German Black Forest in Northeast India.
German
And, this is the
look at that.
what to say. This is the the hills you usually find in America. What was the name of the place? I forgot. California asil niki?
California.
California eneka asil nai eta
Ase.
eneka je.
Ase.
Oh no, Mount Attaba ne kiba eneka asila.
bola na jao.
So let's go and put it in the hills.
Ye dekhe. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the view, look at the view. Sir is already heading to his destination. ক'ত পাহাৰৰ মাজে মাজে গৈ আছো আমি মই পাৰিনো যাব Then I have to go up.
নাই নোৱাৰিবা
Sure?
পাৰিবা ইফালে দি আহিবা পাৰিবা কোনফালে দি ইফালে দি
Yeah. Oh my god.
Fine heritage sir. Fine leaves, bright pine leaves. Wow.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain take me home, country roads.
Now we are going towards Jakrem.
The road
Maukir
towards
Road.
yeah,
The road
the
towards Maukir Jakrem. But the road is pitiable condition
because
right
I think
now.
they are making it now.
Lot of potholes and I think under construction.
It is under
I think we'll be soon reaching a very good road. Seems to be quite ahead of us. Very near.
Another viewpoint again. I don't know কিমান ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া জাগা বনাইছে নহয় ভগৱানে oh god. Look at, and this is a Kinchi river and it goes along the village. There's a bridge. ভগৱানে কি বনাইছে ৰে কেনেকুৱা ধুনীয়া জাগা এইবোৰ Seriously, I've never seen this side of Meghalaya. We have never been to these places ever. Thanks to our Kaptan. Oh my god. Okay, we can go এইফালে Our Kaptan is enjoying the Kinchi river. Beautiful.
বহুত গিটা ফিক্স লৈছো
this is zoom cultivation that they do in hills. They burn the place and then they re-cultivate again. So this is zoom cultivation. We have reached Maukirwat. It's a beautiful place, and we will head to Jokhram and a Stonehenge or something. Jokhram is somewhere where we have hot spring, and we can go and have a beautiful bath there with warm water. What a beauty. It's somewhere in Meghalaya, Maukirwat. It's a beautiful place.
Hey, to Pallo. Pallo.
Itu kopa ante Maukirwat buli koy.
কিয় বুলিব কয়
এইটো হেৰিত চাব লাগিব ডিকশ্যনেৰী সেইটো
অঁ
এইটো মাউকেৰৱাট মাউলম না মাউলংবেৰ
Maulongbir.
মাউলাংবেৰ
এখন Stonehenge.
ষ্টোনহেঞ্জটো এইটো
Stonehenge, Maulongbir.
মাউলাংবেৰ
Maulongbir.
মাউবনা
বটলৰ অভাৱ নাই ইয়াতে কিবা লিখা আছে কা জিংকি বিঙা এনি ৱৰ্ডছ ক'ত আহিছোঁ
Welcome to the Stonehenge of Meghalaya.
Let's go.
নাও লেটিছ গ'
Life after Corona.
this way I guess
These are monolith যোনবোৰ ওখ হয় এইবোৰ একচুৱেলি তাহাঁতি মানুহবোৰে ইন মেমৰ অফ চাম ডেথ পিপল এনেকৈ লগাই তাহাঁতিৰ ষ্ট'নবোৰ ওখবোৰ মতা মানুহৰ হয় আৰু এইবোৰ ফ্লেটবোৰ মাইকী মানুহৰ হয়
যোনবোৰ থিয় কৰোৱা আছে
অঁ
এইবোৰ মতা মানুহ
সেইটোতো কৈছোঁ মই
অনলি যোনবোৰ এইবোৰ ফ্লেট আছে
এইবোৰো ফ্লেট হয়
এইবোৰৰ মতা মানুহ আছে লগত এইটো থিয় কৰাই দিছে
অঁ
এইটো
অকল
only মাইকী
অনলি ফ্লেটবোৰ মাইকী মানুহৰ হয় এইবোৰ ৰেণ্ডম মানে যোনে বিচাৰে নিজৰ কোনোবা মৰা মানুহৰ তাহাঁতি এনেকৈ ইন দেয়াৰ মেমৰি এনেকৈ ষ্ট'ন আমাৰ ছাৰ আহিছে বহে নেকি ৰেচপেক্ট দিব লাগে ন গোটেই ইয়াতে একদম ইটছ এ বিগ এৰিয়া This stone looks like backside of an elephant, if you can see this one. Or zoom no hoy mo camera. It looks like elephant's back. We are at Jakram now, and Jakram is a famous hot water spring of sulfur located about 64 kilometers from Shillong. Popular as the land of hot spring amongst the local, Jakram is blessed with sulfur spring believed to have curative medicinal properties. The site has slowly developed into a health resort which is visited by people from far and wide to take a dip in the hot spring and spend some time detoxifying themselves. So we thought, why not go and have a beautiful hot bath. I was a little disappointed reaching the place. Actually, I was thinking it would be a natural hot spring where we can have a bath. But actually, at a bathroom keneke banai dise tahati eneke so that manuje bathroomot goi ga dhubo pare aru hot juntu spring juntu garam pani ase natural garam pani to hetu tahati pipe through di bathroom burot ani die. But I wasn't happy seeing the crowd and the bathroom. But there was a VIP swimming pool as well, which was 100 rupees per person, but even that swimming pool was crowded. So we decided to come back because there were so many people. The bathroom weren't that clean, but you can try because people say that once if anyone bath in this water তেতিয়া গাৰ বহুত বিষ সৈ কমি যায়. So I wanted to take the bath because মোৰ বহুত বেছি pain আছে bodied, but because of the crowd and all we had to return and already 4টা বাজিয়ে গৈছিল আমাৰ. And finally, we were so hungry that we got into this beautiful Khasi hotel and had a sumptuous veg meal. This is veg, dali, sabji and salad hono. Aru chutney to ki hoba hoy?
Chili.
Hopefully veg hobo. Veg hoy sake. I'm excited. Kona?
घर का दाल, घर का सब्जी.
That one come dise more. This is another viewpoint and সঁচা কথা যেতিয়াৰ পৰা ওলাইছোঁ আমি শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা মাউকিৰ ৱাটাৰলৈ ইমানটা ভিউ পইণ্ট আছিল. every point was beautiful. This is a small view point and this is a Kinchi river. এইফালে গোটেই Kinchi riverটো সাৰাউণ্ড কৰে ভিলেজবোৰক. Look at the water, it's pure. So the entire day was so beautiful. We have been enjoying every viewpoint, every beauty, the nature of Meghalaya. It was so beautiful and I hope you guys enjoyed as well. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video so that other people can also enjoy these beauty. Thank you so much.